Grow huge oranges with this secret ingredient, aloe vera. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you dreaming of a bountiful orange harvest, overflowing with juicy, flavorful fruit? Do you want bigger, juicier, and more flavorful oranges than ever before? Today, I'm going to share a secret ingredient that can supercharge your orange tree's growth, aloe vera. Aloe vera is a powerhouse of nutrients and beneficial compounds that can work wonders for your orange trees. It contains vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that act as a natural growth stimulant, giving your trees the boost they need. Aloe vera promotes strong root growth, which is crucial for nutrient uptake. A healthy root system allows your orange tree to absorb essential nutrients from the soil more efficiently. This leads to stronger, healthier growth and more abundant fruit production. Aloe vera also has antifungal and antibacterial properties, protecting your tree from common diseases. This natural defense mechanism helps keep your orange tree healthy and thriving. It helps the plant cope with environmental stress, like drought or extreme temperatures. Now, let's get into the practical part, how to actually use aloe vera to benefit your orange trees. It's a simple process, and you'll be amazed at the results. First, you'll need a few supplies: fresh aloe vera leaves, water, a blender, and a watering can. Fresh aloe vera is key for maximum effectiveness. Next, carefully cut open the aloe vera leaves and scoop out the gel. The gel is where all the beneficial compounds are concentrated. Add the aloe vera gel to a blender with water. The ideal ratio is 1 part aloe vera gel to 10 parts water. This dilution is important to avoid overwhelming the plant. Blend the mixture until it's smooth. This ensures that the aloe vera is evenly distributed in the water. Now you have 2 options for application: soil drench and foliar spray. For a soil drench, simply pour the solution onto the soil around the base of the tree. This allows the roots to absorb the nutrients directly. For a foliar spray, use a spray bottle to apply the solution onto the leaves. This allows the leaves to absorb the nutrients directly. Apply the aloe vera solution every 2-4 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer. This regular application will provide a consistent boost to your orange tree's growth. Here are a few extra tips and tricks to help you get the most out of using aloe vera on your orange trees. These simple adjustments can make a big difference. Use fresh aloe vera. Fresh aloe vera gel is more potent than store-bought products. The fresher the gel, the more effective it will be. Ensure your orange tree receives adequate watering, especially during dry periods. Aloe vera is a great supplement, but it's not a substitute for proper watering. Orange trees need plenty of sunlight, so make sure your tree is in a sunny location. Sunlight is essential for photosynthesis and fruit production. Prune your orange tree regularly to promote air circulation and fruit production. Proper pruning helps to keep your tree healthy and productive. Aloe vera is a great supplement, but don't neglect other important practices like proper fertilization and pest control. A holistic approach to gardening is always best. By using aloe vera, you can expect to see improved root growth, healthier leaves, and increased fruit production. The results will speak for themselves. Ultimately, you'll enjoy bigger, juicier, and more flavorful oranges. Imagine biting into a perfectly ripe, juicy orange that you grew yourself. Give it a try and let me know your results in the comments below. I'm excited to hear about your success stories. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more gardening tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Your support helps me create more content like this. Happy gardening! I hope you enjoy your bountiful orange harvest.